So today we have the Centauri Carbon from ELEGOO. It's like brand new, straight onto the roster, you could say, the market, and I think it's a pretty good printer, but I was just wanting to do kind of a deep dive into that and then what it is compared to the bamboos. So this is like the other one, the Centauri, just Centauri, not the Carbon. Kind of the cheaper version. I would honestly probably just opt into this, but if you want to do a lot more abrasive materials, I'll probably get the Carbon. It's kind of like the X1 Carbon from Bamboo, and that's kind of the P1P. But back onto the Centauri Carbon, it kind of, so it's looking at print right out of the box. You got full auto calibration, Core XY 500 millimeters to 20,000 millimeters acceleration. I mean, just really nice stuff. You can just kind of do whatever you want on it. It's 256 by 256 by 256 build plate. Has fully enclosed, and the enclosure is fully enclosed. And the I don't know, just overall like build of it is probably going to be just maybe a little bit better just because it is $100 more. There should be some like carbon filters on it, and there's I think 3 fans on it. I don't know. I've watched like Uncle Jesse's video and Frank Lee Built's video. I'm about to start right after I do this voiceover, but there's a lot of editing probably going to be involved in this video. I don't usually do that much editing, but this video I've decided to. So I can just really see a lot of people liking these, and I just wanted to go in and see, are they going to be the Bamboo Lab beater? Because of all the stuff Bamboo has been doing lately, you never know, they might actually be the Bamboo beater, so we'll see. So yeah, just, they're pretty good printers. There hasn't been a lot of test hours. Most of the videos I see are kind of just like, are they worth the hype, or are they better than the Bamboos, or are they a bargain, or is it a perfect step for ELEGOO, or for 3D printing itself? But I think it's going to be a great printer once it gets like out of the pre-order stages, gets kind of ordered by a lot of people, a lot of feedback. We'll probably get back to it, really just see what it does. I probably will end up getting one myself. I have the Ender 3 V2, but I've been looking for another printer, and I like Bamboo Lab, but they're kind of expensive. And I think this is going to be the perfect printer to add on to the KB3D Empire. But I think overall with the Bamboo, I mean, it's giving a lot of, like, Bamboo, it's almost a copy, like the Carbon is almost a copy of the X1, Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. It has fully enclosed filters, same print speeds, just a lot of stuff is pretty, I guess, dialed in more. But on the X1, because you can do multicolor and stuff, but I can see ELEGOO making a AMS system, almost like Reality did the CTRS, I think so, that goes on to the, I think it's just the K1, I'm pretty sure, for them, like something like that, or what Anycubic did with the Cobra 3, with that multi-material system, multicolor system. I can see them coming out with that because these have a so-called poop chute on them for filaments, and I think that's kind of an opener, kind of a hinting like we're going to make one of these, but it might just give us a little bit, because a lot of almost every multicolor actually, multicolor, multi-material printer that can support an AMS usually will have a poop chute on it to get rid of like the old color, so it's nice and clean. All the Bamboos that do multicolor have them. It's probably something that will happen, I'm guessing, in the later future. But, and then I think this the Centauri itself is kind of like the Bamboo Lab P1P. I don't think the PPS, just because the PPS is, I mean, P1S is still enclosed, and it being enclosed like that, PPS, bro, that was kind of It's kind of dumb, I guess. But I don't know why I said that. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna leave that in the video because I find it a little funny. But yeah, it's kind of like that. The P1P, I think, just because of its no enclosure, kind of on the, it's not the cheapest, but it's the kind of like lower end for their big boy printers, as you could say, their Core XYZ. But I overall think I think the Centauri could honestly be better than the P1P just because it's a newer on the block. And I can just see the technology of these, like these Core XY printers are just getting better and better, and they're more accessible, more cheap to make. And I can really see these being a really big deal in the long run. And I think that these Centauri Carbons would be an opener for ELEGOO to get into this Core XYZ game. And really just, they'll probably put a lot of investment into it. And I think that'll be good for their company and all. Just because how, Bamboo has just boomed. And with the latest controversy Bamboo has been making about the Orca Slicer and all that stuff, I can really see them being the Bamboo beater, like the bargain of the Bamboo beater, because it is a bargain. Is it worth the hype? I don't know yet. Is it the ultimate budget printer? I don't know yet. But from what I've seen, I think it is going to be a heavy contender inside of the 3D printer game. And I just hope that it goes well. And if I get one, I'll probably be making videos like every day with it. I mean, you all know my upload schedule, up to 3 a day sometimes, 3 or 4 a day. But, yeah, shout out to ELEGOO for making this great printer. I don't know how great it is yet, but I'm thinking it's going to be a great printer. And if anything happens, if ELEGOO could get in touch with me, I know I don't have that many subscribers, but it would be great to just maybe get a discount on the printer, because I know it's cheap, but it's still expensive out of my means. But if we could just maybe just email me inside of my description. If anybody wants to get a hold of me, can email me through my description's email. And peace. Love Jesus.